So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.5 has completely started draining your battery and you're trying to figure out what you can do. Now, the most common thing that we would usually recommend doing is to understand after you install an update like iOS 26.5 or any update, it can take a little bit of time for it to go through and basically start to get a little bit better on your iPhone. So give it just a couple of days, allow it to go through and basically just kind of like recalibrate. There's just a little bit of a recalibration phase. Now, if it's been like a couple of weeks or a week or two and it's still terrible, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try just force restarting your device. So go through, try basically, scrolling, going up, swipe out and basically just restart your phone and then turn it back on and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes that could be the case where it might end up fixing the problem for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Another thing that could also end up happening too is sometimes the battery condition could be a little weird. So make your way over to your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find battery, which is right over here. And if you have a little insights panel, you can kind of see what's taking up the most amount of battery life. You can also double check your battery health and seeing if your battery health is still at 100% or whatever it is. But you can kind of get an idea of what your battery health and everything is. And if your battery life is really bad, well, then you're going to have to kind of address it at that point. So that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.